And we have another prototype, this time from Burstner. It's a Burstner Copa C500 based on the Ford Transit chassis in the actual price of 72,624. And these are the actual specs. Getting inside, we have a double sitting area that can be also transformed into a bed. And then we have the standard cooking with two burners and one sink, and from that part it's actually the freezer. Yep, not bad. Control unit, the standard Ford dashboard, and yep, it's pretty much standing here with a lot of headroom when you pop up the roof. And actually we have this great LED types for the pop-up roof back. Then getting out, measuring actual height, opening, it's about 1 meter 275 in the actual opening from this Burstner Copa 500 if we get the actual opening. And let's have a look into the actual